Alright everybody, welcome to another day in the garage with Mike from Techn Moto. Let's see how we did with this. And let's see. Okay, looks like it's on pretty good. Alright. Alright, now we're going to put the rack on the top. Now how's this going to go? Let's see. It's going to go like that. Yep. Line this up. Okay. That's it for now. We're just going to leave it. But there you go. There's the back. I don't know, the organizer, I guess. Tour-pak organizer. It's in. It's actually better than what it was. That's in pretty good. Alright, just gonna buff this up real quick. What I can anyways. Can't get in every crevice and crack and whatever, but what I can do, I'm gonna do. Man, that clear coat over the lights, the lenses, makes them look brand new. What? That was a shot in the dark, and I tell you, I'm impressed with the clear coat over the lenses. Looks really good. Anyway, that's done. Get this done here. All right, let's see if we can get this piece back on. Put some Loctite on these bolts, or screws, I should say. Okay. Alright, put the covers on. That's it for that. Looking good. It's coming together. I'm not rushing this, so taking my time. I will wax it in about a month or two. It's gonna give it time for it to harden up and do its thing. Don't want to seal it yet. Alright. What else do I have to do? Show the old antenna compared to the new one. This is the old antennas, or the lips. See how much bigger they are? I don't even know if you can see it. But that's what they were, or what they look like. This one kind of matches what the bottom look like. So, like I said, I'm really happy with that. It looks good. These are going to go in the trash. They're pretty much worn out and stuff. It was difficult to get them off of there. I don't know why, but they were bad shape. The rubbers are all dry, cracked and stuff. Alright, let's buff this out. This is going to be difficult. Goes. Alright, now it's done.